Lawyer's murder still a mystery. No motive yet, says the police.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
On an editorial note regarding my initial video on this topic, there were a few inaccuracies, but that was down to the information available at the time. For that, I apologize. Now, the update. While the brutal killing of promising young attorney at law, Sashakay Fairclough, has shocked, in particular, the parishes of St. Anne and St. James, where she practiced mainly, the police have no leads yet into the murder, nor has a motive been established. 29-year-old Fairclough was shot dead as she drove her car in the Brook Green area of the northern resort town of Ocherius on Friday evening, September 13th. She later succumbed to her injuries at hospital. Her mother, who was a passenger in the vehicle, was also shot and has been admitted to hospital in a serious but stable condition, police sources confirmed. Initial police reports are that a car drove up alongside the vehicle which Fairclough and her mother were traveling in, and armed men started firing into the vehicle, hitting Fairclough in the upper body and leg. Police said that Fairclough's mother was shot in the abdomen. One police source said that the incident had all the ingredients of a contract-style killing, but insisted that it was too early to conclude that. We are continuing our investigations. So far, we have no leads, but we will stop at nothing to apprehend the attackers. Nothing clear has emerged so far, and as usual, you hear a lot of people speculating about all kinds of things, ranging from personal stuff and even politics was mentioned, but there is nothing to suggest such a link, the senior officer continued.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.